Quantum computing is a new model of computing. We're just at the beginning, and we're going to see how it's going to evolve over the next decade. Quantum computing will affect many key sectors of our economy, such as pharmaceutical, finance, aerospace, communication. We're starting to see a new research from different fields, such as biology, chemistry, computer science. Quantum computing creates a new way of doing computing. For example, in 2019, it only took Google's quantum computers 3 minutes and 20 seconds to perform a task that would take a supercomputer, classical supercomputer, 10,000 years. It's a new area at CMC and integrates with all the existing technologies.
So historically, Canada has punched above its weight in quantum investment. A lot of the core innovations in the qubit hardware specifically came out of Canadian researchers. So it's an area where we really could take a lead and provide globally competitive manufacturing capability. We use the largest IBM quantum machines to take in people's problems, often their code, to modify it, adapt it for the machine, and then to help them interpret the results. The quantum coding, of course, is something outside of the normal mandate of CMC, but really our interest was more in if we can begin projects in quantum coding and understanding how to use these machines, why can't we build them in Canada? We may be able to build quantum computers for a specific brand of problem, a specific type of problem. If we have more control over the hardware, we'll be able to do some very unique things that perhaps only we'll know how to do. And we'll be able to maintain the intellectual property in Canada.
CMC has a long tradition in fabricating, and now as quantum computer starts to evolve, we're at the point that to be able to offer fabrication service of quantum device for our network. This allows us to keep intellectual property, retain people, attract people to Canada. So we want to really create new products that will benefit all in Canada and democratize access to quantum computers for research, so we can start to tackle different problems. I must say that that's what excites me about quantum computing right now. Not the things that we already know that they're going to be able to do it, but the things that people will be able to do it in the future.